Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am the Sweetwater Goddess. Today I'm going to be doing some messages for the Lightworkers. So let's channel Archangel Metatron. Let's see what he wants you to know to help you on your spiritual journey. Archangel Metatron, what self-care messages do the Lightworkers need to know at this time? So Archangel Metatron wants you to do some stargazing. So make sure you're taking some time to look at the stars, pay attention to the constellations. A lot of the planets are in retrograde right now. So I am seeing constellations, moon phases here. So make sure you're in tune to what's going on in the universe. Right now Venus is in retrograde, Pluto, Saturn. I think one more planet I just can't think of right now, but use this time to heal and focus on your spiritual development, your spiritual growth. Do some reflection. So make sure you look into the stars at this time. See, they want you to sync with the moon. So make sure you're doing your manifestations on a new moon. Meditate on the full moon. Practice releasing. So make sure you're syncing with the moon in a state of meditation. What else does Archangel Metatron want you to know? And make sure you start developing a dream journal. So that way you can track your dreams. Sometimes you may not know what a dream means at the time you're having it, but you can look it up online and see what resonates with you. But make sure you're documenting your dreams. Have a dream journal. So those are 3 cards for self-care. Let's see what your ancestors have to say from the Angels and Ancestor Oracle deck. So, let's see. Archangel Metatron, please help me to connect with the collective energy of the ancestors for Lightworkers and Starseeds and their guardian angels. What do the Lightworkers' ancestors have to say? So hopefully we'll get 3 cards from this one. Ooh, look. Oracle, which is pretty cool, right? So make sure you are trying to order your own Oracle deck. It's the easiest way for you to do divination for yourself. It's clear-cut communication. You cannot mess that up. So try to order your own Oracle deck. Some of you guys are Oracle readers. They want you to be more in tune with your intuition. Sometimes if you burn incense, you can see animals, spirit animals in the smoke. So pay attention to when you're burning incense, if you see any images or visions in smoke in nature. It says wait for important information. Let's see what it says in the book, even though that's pretty clear. So let's see. This card resonates with being open and receptive to information. Gather facts so that you can make a decision that is in line with your integrity. So the Oracle is the truth speaker and insight bringer of this deck. The ancestor who will be with you, best outspoken girlfriend. Someone who will tell you exactly what you need to hear to move forward. So if you want to connect with this picture, this woman right here is the Oracle of Delphi. She's a psychic priestess of ancient Greece who was able to receive information and make predictions. She holds a bowl that has sacred smoke rising out of it, bringing the message to look beyond all you can see and gather information in order to make an accurate evaluation of your current situation. So this also resonates with your angels and ancestors in the universe are speaking to you at this time. And they want you to listen to important conversation, synchronicity signs, and messages that will point you in the right direction. So you're guided at this time to wait to see if you'll receive more information. Don't make any fast moves right now, especially with all these retrogrades happening. Make sure you take time to process new information. Take time to think about making important life decisions at this time. What else? 2 more cards from the Angels and Ancestor Oracle deck. Archangel Metatron, what do the ancestors have to say? So I'm going to take the one that flipped upwards. Ooh. Oh. Direction Guardian. Choose your path. Some of you need to choose your divine life purpose and path and release fear. That's what I'm seeing out of this. This looks like choosing your higher self. Take flight. He has wings in this picture. Make sure you're choosing your higher self. Connect with your spirit animals. There's a lot of spirit animals in this picture as well. And I feel like your life journey and your path in life is protected by your ancestors. They're protecting you at this time. So they want you to make sure that you're choosing your divine life path and release fear. Shield Maiden, make plans and focus. So you guys need to cut out the bullshit, protect your own brand, your life purpose. Some of you guys are in the process of developing a new business, a new brand. Don't let anybody fuck with your destiny. Look how she has that sword in her hand. So some of you guys need to prepare to fight for your divine life purpose. A lot of people are envious of your life. People do readings on your life. They know what your future holds, and they try to do everything in their power to stop you. These are evil entities attached to human beings. And your ancestors are like, nah, that's not happening. So you need to make sure you're planning and you're protecting your divine life purpose. It's your divine right to be abundant, successful. Don't let anybody stop you. So make sure you're planning, you're manifesting goals and your affirmations, and you're focused. Stay focused on the plan. So let's get some starseed information from the Starseed Oracle to help you on your spiritual journey and awakening. Archangel Metatron, what do the Lightworkers need to know to help stay grounded in spirituality and focus on their spiritual growth? 3 cards, please, Archangel Metatron. Oh gosh, the Void. So this is the Void. They want you to stop, take a moment to stop, do self-reflection, go within, be in hermit mode right now. It says embrace winter. Maybe something important might be happening in the winter time for you. If you take time to plan right now and plant some seeds, maybe on the next new moon, they want you to plant new seeds of manifestations, what you want to see manifest into your life. And this also connects with the great cosmic womb. So ladies, it is quarantine, it's Venus retrograde, I don't know. So be careful, make sure you're nurturing your womb at this time. Wear African waist beads. And just in case, there might be an unexpected pregnancy or anything like that, or a pregnancy that's written in the stars maybe happening at this time. So make sure you're wearing your African waist beads to protect your womb. Make sure you take your infertility cleansing baths. Make sure that your womb is protected and safe. What else do we need to know? 2 more cards, please, for the Lightworkers and Starseeds. Archangel Metatron, what do we need to know today? 2 more cards. Okay, nothing comes out. I'm going to grab it from the top. Ooh, cracked open. Some of you guys are experiencing deeper levels of awakening, and it's probably crushed you down to your core. It cracked you the hell open. Tower moment from the divine. It says rock bottom, surrender to the alchemy of life. So some of you have important soul contracts, and it's non-negotiable. So the more you try to resist, the more you have tower moments, and it's tragic and it's just horrible. So it's time for you to surrender. You are a spiritual being occupying your human flesh. You came to the earth plane to help with the transition of the new earth 5D perspective. You are a light worker. Archangel Metatron wants you to focus on being a light worker and surrendering to your higher self. You're an alchemist. You're a master manifester. Use your manifestation abilities for your highest and greater good. So you're transitioning from your lower self to your higher self. It's non-negotiable. Okay? So surrender to your higher self. One more card, please. Activated Earth. This card always comes out when I do a Lightworker card. A Lightworker reading for you guys. So if you are blessed and you live near these activated power places on Earth, the ley lines, they want you to visit these places. There's activation here. You can activate your light body. It's almost saying it's almost like a portal. Look how this is like a tunnel of light right here. Then it also says, trust where you're led. So I want you to look up online all the power places on the earth plane and what place is calling you. If you can, try to make plans in the future to visit those places. If you are blessed and you know how to astral travel, take your soul there to figure out what the hell you need to know in the spirit realm. Maybe there's codes that you can get in the spirit realm. So Google power places on earth, and whichever one is drawing you to that place, that's where you need to go visit to activate your light body. And let's see what the energy is like for the light workers. So 3 cards just to see. It's a storm warning. It's almost like the Tower card. And yin and yang. So something's coming in to restore balance. The universe is stepping in. There's a lot of divine interventions happening at this time to restore balance. So it's enough of this devil energy. Divine is watching. Divine is watching. So somebody has anxiety. You need to release that. You need to release this anxiety and fear. We don't have time for that, please. Archangel Raphael is the healing angel. So connect with Archangel Raphael at this time to make sure you're balanced within. Because a yin yang card just came out too with the balance. This is your second chakra, Archangel Ariel. The second chakra is resonating with your sacral, with sex energy. So if somebody having anxiety over temptation, please restore your balance. Listen to 20-minute Tibetan singing bowls to balance your chakras. Sit down in meditation, listen to the singing bowls, and get grounded. This will help cancel out this anxiety that some of you are having. It says man holding a heart and woman holding a heart. So it is Venus retrograde. Someone's having anxiety about approaching some of you. And he's thinking passionate thoughts with the second chakra being here. So Archangel Ariel is also the keeper of the sacred chakra. So work with her as well to make sure you're staying in balance. So let's see what's going to happen. Appreciation is here. So express your gratitude. Someone appreciates having this divine woman counterpart in their life as well. Yeah, she looks divine to me. So take time to appreciate the woman in your lives. Express your gratitude to the universe. That's how you start being blessed in your life, when you start expressing your gratitude. And 2 more cards for the light workers for the energy. There's some attachments here, and there might be negative attachments. You need to cut the cords. Work with Archangel Michael to cut all the cords of all karmic ties, negative karmic situations, people. Cut those cords. Release anxiety. Work with Archangel Michael too to cut the cords of anxiety, cut the cords of temptation, sexual addictions, and attachments to karmic ties, to karmic people, karmic situations, and old ex-karmic partners. Cut those cords. It's time to move on. Because the angel of balance wants to help restore you. Somebody is full of anxiety at this time. You need to work with the angels of balance. You need to work with Archangel Raphael, the angel of healing, to release this anxiety. Okay, guys, that's my messages for today for the Lightworkers. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace and love. Bye.